Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this tutorial guys, I'll show you on WhatsApp how to send a view once photo. All right, so it's very easy. Launch WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp guys, you're gonna go ahead and attach a photo. I like to use the paperclip, so go ahead and use the paperclip. You're gonna be here, go to gallery. From here, if it's not in this list right here, go to manage, select more, and of course we assume that you already took it inside of the gallery. All right, so once you do select it or highlight it and it's done, it's now going to appear, meaning WhatsApp can see it. Then of course you're going to send it. In my case, I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to tap, and right in the send field right here, you're going to notice something. You can add a text as well. So for example, you can add hey. All right, but that's not important. The key one here is to um tap on the one with the jagged edges, broken line, not this one over here on the send. In the line there no, it says media is set to view once. What you're going to do from here is go ahead and send, and there you go, it says photo. And now that photo is actually now sent, and the person can only view it once, then it will disappear. All right, we have a tutorial and videos as well, and we have also a tutorial and voice notes separately that you can actually check out. If in case you want to send messages, remember that with photos, you can also attach your messages. So photos, you can also include messages along with a photo. All right, so that's a key one in case you're curious as to what if I want to send a message. You can actually attach the message to the photo. So I hope that was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.